To do what we do as a company really takes an extreme level of dedication, and we're really passionate about a level of excellence, whether it's on our restoration side, our service side, or our sales side. I'm Cam Ingram. I'm the co-owner of Road Scholars Automotive Group, based here in Durham, North Carolina, as well as Friday Harbor, Washington State. I guess I'm Porsche crazy, Porsche passionate. I got into this in 1998. My father took me on a father-son trip to Monterey, California. It was the 50th anniversary of Porsche, and it was a great trip, and I saw my first 356 on that trip. I was captivated by the shape and the design language of that, and from then on, it was like a total injection of passion because I wanted to learn so much more about the brand, and basically that was the start of my Porsche journey. Road Scholars came to be in 2002 when I met my business partner at a local car show here in Raleigh-Durham, North Carolina, and we were looking at a 911, and I bumped into him, and he said, "What do you see?" And my description of the car and his description of the car were totally two different perspectives. And we realized very quickly that we were both very passionate about the Porsche brand. And not long after that, we joined forces and became Road Scholars in about a 1,200 square foot shop, just two guys buying and selling Porsches. We really developed a reputation of buying the best, lowest mileage cars in the world. We often traveled and would buy cars with anywhere from 5 miles up to 200 miles on the odometer. So we really kind of painted ourselves in that corner at the beginning of Road Scholars.
When Road Scholars was never thinking about restorations, one of our clients interviewed us for 8 hours to see if we were the ones he wanted to help build his collection. The first car we bought for him was a '63 Carrera 2 Cabriolet. It was an incredible show winner 20 years earlier. And when we bought the car, we realized it was painted the wrong color. It was painted resale red, which was popular to do in the 80s. And the car was a paint to sample car. And he said, "Okay, how much to change the color and change the interior color?" So I spit out a number off the top of my head, and we instantly got into the restoration business.
The term Concours restoration gets thrown around lightly these days. We're really focused on getting the details right of how the cars were built from whatever particular era that the Porsche that we're working on was manufactured. And that's really what distinguishes Concours restoration from just driver or normal restoration work. So we're really fixated on the nuances and nailing down the details from everything from what were the trim details in terms of how did they execute certain practices of overspray, what was the texture of the overspray, what kind of plating and coating did they have on materials. So we're really fixated on getting those details correct, because we don't want to recreate history, we want to preserve history in our restoration work.